Hey everyone, so this video is kind of all over the place. Well, my sister bought a new car. This video is me with my sister driving her car and seeing her car for the first time. So we're at a car place because my sister bought a car. Well, she got an accident with the car, and with the money that they got from the accident, they're buying a new car, and this is it right here. I'm gonna do a full reveal on it later. New car, new who this?
Who that?
Putting gas.
Yeah.
You know it's old when there's nothing that hangs from there.
Broke bitch means broke bitch car. Dang it.
We had difficulties to get this thing off. That some guy came to help us, and
Nice stranger.
he just turned it the other way
Nice
and it
stranger.
opened. So this is my sister's new car. Yeah, now we're seeing it in the daylight.
Look at that dumb bitch who forgot his fucking cell phone. He's not even closing the door. Hi guys, it's Steffi. Lighting. Not a good lighting. Hi guys, it's Steffi. I'm waiting for Shawn because he forgot to. But he didn't even close the door. Let me show you. Bitch. So yeah, not a vlogger. This is my new car. And this big gang.
So I'm gonna end the video right here. It's really weird, like it's another part, but it doesn't have to do with the brand new car and whatsoever. But I'm gonna end this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my social media that will be in the description down below, and you can turn on the bell for notifications when I post. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.